Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both the case and AirPods have enough power. Low battery can interrupt the reset. Place the AirPods Pro 2 in their case and close the lid, then wait about 30 seconds so the devices settle. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and find the AirPods entry. This prepares the connection state for removal. You're now ready to remove the device from your account so the full factory reset can clear pairings and settings. You should tap the info icon and choose Forget this device to unlink the AirPods from your phone and iCloud. This prevents automatic reconnection. Next, with the lid open, press and hold the setup button on the case's back for about 15 seconds. Hold through the amber flash so internal memory clears. Watch the status light. It will cycle amber then flash white, which signals the factory reset finished. This sequence clears custom settings, noise controls, and device associations. After the white flash, bring the case near your iPhone with the lid open, and you should see the pairing animation. This is how you re-establish a clean connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to name the AirPods and re-enable features like noise control and automatic ear detection. These settings were removed by the reset. If pairing repeatedly fails, make sure Bluetooth is on, restart your phone, or reset network settings as a troubleshooting step before reaching out for service. These steps fix most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.